So now we are going to talk about elasticity of supply. So elasticity of supply is, that is elasticity, the supply increases or decreases, that is called elastic. So the elastic of supply of a commodity is defined as a repossessiveness of a specified supply with the unit changes in the price of the commodity. The quantity changes or the price changes, there is an elasticity will be framed. So if there is any changes in the price and the quantity, definitely there is an elastic. So if there is a drastic change in the supply, if the price is less, definitely the supply will be more. So there is a kinds of supply of elasticity. The first one, price elasticity of supply. The price elasticity of supply is supply measures the responsiveness of a changes in quantity supplied to a changes in price. So there is a quantity changes, definitely there is a change in the price. If there is a less or more, if the price is higher, there is a changes in the quantity. If price is less, there is a changes in the quantity. So if the price is high, always the consumers wants to purchase less. If the price is less, always the consumers want to purchase more quantity. So there is a price elasticity of supply is gathered. The next one is perfectly elastic. Then perfectly elastic is there is no response in the supply to change in price. There is no response. So if there is any changes, the price changes or the quantity changes, or whether the weather condition, the income, whatever may be the changes, there is no response. That means no changes in anything else. That is called perfectly inelastic. Whether the price changes or the quantity changes, there won't be any difference. The next one is inelastic supply. The proportionate changes in supply is less than the changes of the price. So when there is a changes in price, the supply will be less. Definitely we all know the demand will be created and supply is less. Automatically the product of the price will goes high. So this is called inelastic supply. The next one is unitary elastic. The percentage change in the quantity supplied is equal to the changes in the price. That means when there is a changes in the price, always that is equal to changes in the quantity. Whether the price changes, there is the quantity also increase. Whether the price less, the quantity also decrease. So this is called unitary elastic. Otherwise we can call equal elastic. The next one is elastic. The changes in the quantity supplied is more than the change in price. So that means if the supply is less, if the supply of the product is less, automatically there is a change in the price. You all know when the quantity is lesser, the price will goes high. So this is called elastic. Then perfectly elastic. The suppliers are willing to supply any amount at a given price. So that is called perfectly elastic. So with this we finished it.